Today, we're talking about some seriously exciting news: leaked images of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're as pumped as I am to see what Samsung's next flagship brings to the table, then you'll want to stick around for this one. These leaks give us a first look at the sleek design and premium feel that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is all about, and trust me, it's looking absolutely stunning. So, let's break it down and dive into what we know so far about this new tech beast. First off, let's talk about those recently leaked images. Even though they're just third-party screen protectors, they give us some big clues about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design. You can almost feel how the phone will sit in your hand just by looking at these images. The sleek, tempered glass and 3D options showcased in these leaks point to a device that's not just powerful but premium. Now, when we think about flagship phones, especially the Ultra models, the first thing that comes to mind is that super sleek and polished design. And the S25 Ultra seems to be delivering exactly that. The rumors suggest that it will feature ultra-thin symmetrical bezels, giving it an incredibly immersive display. What's even more exciting is that these bezels might be thinner than what we're seeing on the iPhone 16 Pro lineup. Yes, you heard that right, Samsung could be outclassing Apple in the design game this time around. This definitely gives the Galaxy S25 series a more high-end feel, making it one of the most visually stunning smartphones to date. But that's not all. There's also talk that the S25 Ultra might be slightly taller and narrower compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung seems to be focusing on refining the look of the phone even further. They've allegedly thinned out the middle frame on both sides, making the phone appear even more polished and premium. This streamlined look will surely make it stand out in a crowd, making it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their device. But wait, it's not just the Ultra model getting the love. The leaks also give us a peek at the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus. If you're looking for something a little more compact without sacrificing power, the regular Galaxy S25 is shaping up to be the perfect fit. It's set to be a compact powerhouse that delivers flagship-level performance in a more manageable size. And for those of you who want something extra, the S25 Plus could be your ideal pick. The S25 Plus is expected to pack in even more features and high-end specs, catering to users who want a little more in terms of screen size, battery life, and performance. Now, a quick word about the design differences. From what we're seeing, the non-Ultra models, like the Galaxy S25 and the S25 Plus, might have slightly thicker bezels compared to the S25 Ultra. But honestly, based on these third-party screen protectors alone, it's hard to make any final judgments. These leaks are giving us some exciting hints, but we'll have to wait for more official details to be 100% sure. That said, even with slightly thicker bezels, we're still looking at some seriously premium design choices across the entire Galaxy S25 lineup. So, what are your thoughts on these leaked images? Do you think the Galaxy S25 Ultra will live up to the hype, or are you more excited about the Galaxy S25 Plus or the regular S25 model? Personally, I'm loving the direction Samsung is going with this sleek, polished design, especially if those bezels are as thin as rumored.